Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I have a design team package from AlinaCraft. I managed to do my samples, so I'm going to share those with you along with a couple of items that I purchased myself from her store. So let me jump right in. I grabbed this stamp set for a background. So you get 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces in here. And I just did a quick sample of how it looks like stamped. And I also got this Happy Birthday with the shadow die, and it's a great size. Let me grab my So the Happy is 3 1/4 by 1 1/4, and the Birthday is 4 inches. And this is how it die cuts. So there is the shadow and there is the word Happy if my fingers work. Like that. And that's the word Birthday. It's very, very pretty. So moving on for the design team, I got this die set. You get 4 pieces. The largest one here is about 4 1/4 by 2 1/2. And this is how it die cuts. So here is the 4 layers if you want to layer them to make your background, or you can use these. So that's the largest size, second, third, and the smallest. Next, I have this die set. Now this one, you get 6 double stitch circles with it, and you need to separate them. And then you get this leaf circle, which is like a wreath. It's gorgeous. So if you don't separate them, you're going to get this, which I was in a hurry to make the sample. But if you separate them, you're going to get the solid circle. And look how beautiful that is. I just love it. And this one here is almost 4 inches. 4 inches. Next, I have this 3-piece butterfly set that comes with the layering piece, and it's very intricate. It's gorgeous. And this is all the pieces. So all of these layer on top. Just like that. Isn't it gorgeous? So the largest one is about 1 1/4 by almost 2 inches, not quite. And the small one is 1 1/4. Next, I have this butterfly set. This one you get 7 pieces. So the 3 pieces come with the back piece, which is the shadow, and you get the layering piece, which is very intricate. Or you can just die cut this right onto your paper because it doesn't have a solid cut line. And then you have a small piece, which is right here, that's solid. And here are the samples. So the smaller one, I didn't do the 2 layers. I just die cut them together. Here is the medium size with the layering piece. And that's a large size with the layering piece. And look how big that is. And that's the smallest one. So these measure 4 inches by 5 1/2, and the second size, again, it's nice and big. It's a little over 2.5 by almost 3 3/4. Next, I have this tropical leaf set. You get 7 pieces in here. And this is how they die cut. And I believe this one is the tallest one at 2.5. And this one is the widest at 1 3/4 by 1.5. Next, I have this tropical set. This one you get 3 flower petals and you get 6 leaves. And of course you can layer the flowers or use them separately. And this is how they die cut. So the large flower petal is about 1 3/4. And I believe this is the tallest at 2.5. Next, I have this tulip set. You get 3 different stems, you get 4 leaves, and you get all these petals. There is also a reference picture of how to put them together. And of course, you can make different styles. So here is 3 that I made, as you can see. So the more petals you put, the more dimensional it's going to be. And of course, the leaves, you can just tuck the leaves here. And these are about 3 3/4. This one is a little taller. It's beautiful. Next, I have this fun birthday set, and there is so many pieces in here. You get a cupcake with the frosting, and there is a layering piece which you can use. There is a candle with the layering piece. These 2 smiley faces with party hats, balloons with layering pieces, flowers, party hat, the word birthday, and there is this here. It's like a heart sign or heart on a stick. I don't know what you call it. So it's so much fun. And this is how they die cut. So there is the cupcake, and it's a great size with just the frosting, and that's with the layering piece. The smiley faces, the hat, the flowers, the balloons, and the word birthday. So the cupcake is 3 inches by 2.5. These guys are 2 3/4, and the balloons are 3.5. Next, I have this ticket die set. You get 2 sizes. It leaves these perforation on your paper so you can just tear it easily. So the bigger size, it gives you 2 inches of ticket, and I believe the length is the same, 1 1/4. The small ones are 1.5 by 1 1/4. So when you die cut them, this is what it's going to do on your paper. And as I mentioned, you can just easily tear them. So you can make as many as you want if you just continue, but basically, oops, these are your tickets, and this is the smaller size. You can just fold it if you want to send it in Happy Mail. And my last die for today is this Happy Birthday Sentiment die. You get 5 different styles of Happy Birthday, and they come with the shadow. So this is how they die cut. You can also buy the stamp set separately. It's got the 5 happy birthdays, the exact same in the stamp form. And because it's self-explanatory, I didn't stamp them out. You also get a couple of different happy birthdays here. So there is 3 extra happy birthdays, and there is an envelope that has happy birthday in it. So I believe these 2 are the largest here. They're about 2.5 by 1 3/4, and this one is almost 3 inches by 1 3/4, and this one I think it's the smallest at 2 1/4. So it's a great size. So that was it for today. I will be back using these in some projects. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, have an awesome day, you guys. Bye.